Okay, so in this question we are given a trapezoid that has one base of 13 centimeters. It has a height of 8 centimeters and an area of 140 centimeters squared. What is the length of the second base? Please take a moment to draw out the picture and see if you can figure this out. Okay, so if, let's say this is your trapezoid, okay, it tells us that one of the base is 13 centimeters. And the height is 8 centimeters. It has an area of 140 centimeters squared. The question is asking, what is this base here? B, let's say B2. Okay, so we can use the formula to find area of a trapezoid and then isolate B2. Okay, so I'm just going to throw down the equation area equals 1/2 base 1 plus base 2 times h. Okay, so I'm going to rearrange this equation. To solve for B2. To solve for B2, because the question is asking what is the length of the second base. Okay, so B2 is right here. We're going to get we're going to need to get that by itself. Okay, so I'm just going to flip this, switch sides. I'm going to put A on the right and everything else on the left. Okay, because I'm trying to get what B2 is. So I'm going to say that 1/2 base 1 plus base 2. All I'm doing is switching sides here. Okay, see how A goes to the right? That side comes to the left. Because with an equal sign here, you can indeed switch the sides. Okay, now to get B2 by itself, we'll get rid of the 1/2. Okay, multiply by its reciprocal, which is 2/1. So multiply the right side by 2/1, which is the same as 2. Okay, so the 2 cancels out. We have B1 plus B2 times height is equal to 2A. A times 2 is 2A. Okay, so let's get rid of the H. Here you have this times H. So to undo it, we need to divide H. Divide H. Okay, so H cancels. B1 plus B2 is equal to 2A over H. Okay, now to get B2 by itself, let's get rid of the B1. What's the opposite of plus B1? So subtract B1 from both sides. This cancels. B2 is equal to 2A over H minus B1. Okay. Now everything is set up nicely for us to go to the second step. Okay, so this is where we're going to plug the given information. Okay, so note that everything is provided for us except for the B2, which is what we're trying to find. Okay, plug the given area. We're also given B1. We're given the height. Okay, we're going to plug those guys in to find B2. Okay, so we're going to end up with B2 is equal to 2 times the area. Area is 140 centimeters. So 2 times 140 over h. The height is 8 centimeters minus B1 is 13. Okay? So we have 2 times 140 is 280 over 8 minus 13. Okay, so this is equivalent to, well, 8 can go into 280 35 times minus 13 equal 22. Okay, now the question asks us for length and the unit is centimeters, so our final answer is going to be 22 centimeters. Okay, so here this B2 is 22 centimeters.